Loaded out 7-passenger Lexus GX 460 4x4. Nice pearl white paint. Aluminum alloy wheels with good Cooper tires. Side step running boards. Tinted windows. Roof rack crossbars. Rear bumper protector. Tow hitch trailer package. Tailgate glass opens for easy access or swinging tailgate. Power folding seats. AC plug for you. Plenty of room. Rear DVD in the headrest. Heated second row seats with climate controls. Nice tan leather. Rear climate controls, vents, wood grain trim throughout. Lexus carpeted floor mats throughout. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Memory driver's seat. Heated and cooled front row seats. Premium Dolby Digital sound, digital surround with 6-disc index changer. Navigation. Free 90-day trial of Sirius XM satellite radio. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Auto headlights with fog lights. Just over 210,000 miles. It's even got a sunroof. Y'all come by and see us at U-Cars.